Hi, my name is Amanda, and this is my project, Soapy Soil. So the research question of this project is eco-friendly detergent actually better for the environment than regular detergent? And the hypothesis was, of course, that Pure Clean Tide would be better for the environment because it's designed and it's manufactured to contain materials from the environment that are able to cooperate with it. So Pure Clean Tide is a bio-based product, which means that it contains materials that come from the environment. And they contain parts of plants, remains from forests, and marine life. It's an alternative to this product, regular Tide. And Tide is a normal household product we have on daily. We use it every day. And this project is here to bring attention to the impact we have on the environment by using this product, doing a simple task. So one of these chemicals in Tide is called a suffragant. And a suffragant is found in many different types of cleaning products. And what a suffragant does is it takes oil and dirt away from fabrics and different types of materials. So I thought this was really interesting, so I did some more research. And if a suffragant got into a simple ecosystem like a freshwater system, what it would do is it can create an algae bloom, which its natural ability is to take oxygen from the environment. So if an algae bloom is there, it's taking oxygen away from the animals that need it in the environment, from the water and the land. And also, fish use dirt and oil to protect themselves from parasites and bacteria that can kill them. So this product, suffragant, it takes away dirt and oil. So it's allowing the parasites and the bacteria to get to the fish, and it's impacting the diversity of the environment. So first, what I needed was I need potting soil, a cup, of course, the two different Tide products, popsicle sticks, a ruler, and water, and a place to put the plants in the sun so they can grow properly. So I had 3 different pots, and they all have the same amount of soil, and you take a bean seed, and you put a 1-inch hole into each pot, and you put the bean seed inside, and then cover it up, and then you want to leave one alone for your controls, because we need something to compare everything to. So first, what you want to do is you want to take a measuring cup and take your Pure Clean Tide and put half a cup in here and pour it into one of the pots and label it as Pure Clean Tide, and then wash this out and take a Tide detergent bottle and pour half a cup and do the same for the other one and leave the other one alone. And then you want to take your spray bottle that you have, anything you want to use to water the plant, and just spray it as much as it needs. If you're going to use a spray bottle, you should do it like 4 times for each one, and then put it out into the sun where they're all getting equal amounts of sunlight, because if they didn't, that would be a factor that would affect it. So what you have to do is you measure it by how tall the bean plant grows, because that's a normal characteristic of a bean plant. So you would know if the bean plant is shorter than the others, it's affecting it. So I used a ruler and measured the bean plant in centimeters. So for the first trial, the regular Tide was 0.5 centimeters and the Pure Clean Tide was 1 centimeter, and the control was 10. And throughout the experiment, the results stayed constant in a way, as in the Pure Clean Tide did grow taller than the regular Tide detergent plant, so my hypothesis was supported. But I also noticed in my observations that the controlled plant, which was the one that's just a normal plant that grows, had a big difference in height between the Pure Clean Tide. So I was thinking, and that means that it also refuted my hypothesis overall, because that means that the Pure Clean Tide did affect the way the plants grow. So the purpose of the product is not fulfilled, because it still was defected in a way, even though it was better than this. So in conclusion, it did support my hypothesis, but it did affect the way the plant grew. And this purpose of the project was to make people aware of the kind of things we do in life that can really affect the environment, because one bottle of this can do so much damage. Imagine billions of bottles out the world in open landfills in our water systems and all our waste systems.